Okay, looks like everything's here. Let's take it out and see if it works. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Sounds good, Manny. Muy bueno.
Turn it off, turn it off!
El micrófono, the microphone. Whew.
Está quebrado. I think it's broken.
It's a blown fuse.
¡Qué divertido! What fun!
I have one last idea. Sometimes chewing gum helps. Chew on this and try blowing a big bubble, Felipe.
How was that, Felipe?
Very sticky.
What are we gonna do? Nothing is working and we've tried everything.